500 gram dal. Soak 4 to 5 hours. Grind and make a paste. Make a fine paste. Beat the lentils well for 20 minutes. Baking powder, a third tsp. Red chili powder, 1 tsp. Salt to taste. Cumin seeds, crushed a quarter tsp. After add spices, mix well. Mix, 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 mix. Cover with the lid, 1 hour. 1 cup oil, hot on flame. Made bhalle, 1 by 1, add in oil, slow flame. Fry in oil. Nice golden color both sides. Full cream, yogurt beat. Black pepper. Cumin seeds, crushed. Salt to taste. Mix well. After made bhalle, soak in water. Squeeze bhalle and put in plate. Add yogurt. Fresh coriander and green chili paste. Tamarind sauce. Add chaat masala. Super soft Dahi Bhalle. Like, share, subscribe. Soft and delicious Dahi Bhalle. For watching, thanks. Kung Food Official.